Hello friends, welcome back to my YouTube channel Study of Science with Rahul Keshavani। बेसिकली बहुत सारे स्टूडेंट ने हमें मैसेज करके लिखा कि सर हम केमिकल फार्मूला कैसे बनाएं। तो सर इसके लिए प्लीज एक वीडियो भी बनाइए। तो मैंने कहा चलिए ठीक है, आपके लिए ये भी एक वीडियो बनाते हैं। कैसे आप एक केमिकल फार्मूला को लिखेंगे। सो बिफोर स्टार्टिंग हाउ टू राइट द केमिकल फार्मूले, you should know what is the ions as well as radicals. So what is ions? Basically ions during a chemical reaction, during a chemical reaction reacting elements lose or gain an electron lose or gain an electron to form charged species called as ion. Means during a chemical reaction, let's see that when A and B react to each other and form product, maybe A lose an electron and B gain an electron. If A lose an electron, then it got the positive charge. Any substance which lose an electron, then they got the positive charge. And the substance which gain the electron, then they got the negative charge. So these are the ions. So these are the ions. So how many types of ions? So your answer should be that is 2 types of ions. So types of ions. Number 1, positive ions, and second one is the negative ion. Right? So these are the information regarding with the ions. Similarly, you also see that as sodium ion Na plus, magnesium ion Mg2 plus, aluminium ion Al3 plus. These are the examples of the positive ion. And what is the examples of negative ion? Chloride ion, Cl minus ion, right? And bromide ion, iodide ion, etc. Various examples are present in the chemistry. So now this is the information regarding with the ions. Now radicals. What is the radicals? It is a group of atoms carrying charge called as radicals. Means group of atoms. Let's see here. This is oxygen. It have two negatives, right? Here only oxygen atom is present, right? Here not group of atom is present, but you can see that OH minus. Here two atoms are present, oxygen and hydrogen. So these are the radicals, means group of atoms, right? Similarly, Na plus, this is only one atom, right? Now NH4 plus, nitrogen 1 atom, hydrogen 4 atoms. So group of atoms are present. So these are called radicals. इन्हें क्या कहेंगे हम? रेडिकल्स बोलेंगे। जिनके ऊपर पॉजिटिव चार्ज होगा, that radicals are called basic radicals, and those which have negative charge are called acidic radicals. Right? Now, how to write chemical formula? Let's take. Before starting this topic, firstly, you know what is the valency of elements and radicals. Very important topic. Number 1, that is monopositive. Mono means one, positive means positive charge. Means elements are radicals which carry single positive charge. Right? Like as hydrogen. This is called hydrogen ion. Right? Lithium, sodium ion, potassium ion, right? Rubidium, cesium, cuprous, ammonium, mercurous, silver, right? So these are the monopositive ions, right? Now, dipositive ions. Dipositive means which carry two charge, 2 plus charge. Beryllium, magnesium, calcium, strontium, zinc, cobalt, ferrous, mercuric, lead, so these are the dipositive ions which carry two positive charges, right? Now Third, tri positive. Aluminium. Ferric. So these are two or more than two, but here only two are written, right? Now the four positive means which carry four positive charge. Tetra positive. Carbon, silicon, so these are tetra positive ions which carry the four positive charge, right? Similarly, gases positive charges, similarly negative charge valency, negative charge elements are negative charge radicals are also present. So let's see. Number one, mononegative means carry single negative charge, right? Like as hydride ion, fluoride ion, chloride ion, bromide, iodide, cyanide, thiocyanide, isocyanide, nitrate ion, nitrite ion, hydroxide ion, bicarbonate, bisulfide ion, acetate ion, etc. और बहुत सारे, right? So these have single negative charge. Now dinegative means which carry two negative charge. I guess sulfide ion, sulfate ion, sulfide ion, carbonate ion, oxalate ion. Oxide ion. Peroxide ion. Chromate ion. Dichromate ion. In case of mononegative, you add one more, that is MnO4 minus, that is permanganate ion. Right? So these are the di-negative ions, and this is the mononegative ions. You can write on that table. Okay. Now the tri-negative ions, which carry 3 negative charge. Tri-negative ions. It is only some radicals or some elements are only present, like as nitride ion. Phosphate ion. Phosphide ion. Right? So these are the tri-negative ions. Now the fourth, that is tetranegative. Tetranegative, which have 4 negative charge, that is carbide ion. Right? Ferrocyanide ion. Silicate ion. So these are the examples related with the tetranegative. So these are the radicals, but this is the elements, right? So these are the information regarding these elements which are positive or negative charge. Now, very important is that how to write chemical formulae. Now the time for making chemical formula, right? So, if anybody told you, please write the formula of sodium chloride, so then how can you write the formula of sodium chloride? You just watch that how to write the formula of sodium chloride, right? Firstly, in mostly generally 99 chemical formula, 99% of chemical formula, first word is represented for positive charge and second part is represented for negative. So first, that is the sodium. So you see in your table that sodium are present in which table, that is in positive table. So you see that I provide 1 minute to see what is the sodium present in your table. So your time is start now. Perhaps you see that so sodium is present in monopositive ions, right? So there is the monopositive ions, so you can write Na plus. And you also watch chloride is present. So you can also watch that chloride ion is present as Cl minus, right? Don't worry. Sodium Na plus, chloride Cl minus. Clear? Got it? Don't worry. Now, what is the charge of sodium? Your answer should be 1, right? Don't see that this is positive or this is negative. Only I asked what is the number of positive charge. Your answer is only 1. So you write 1. Cl, how many negative charge? Your answer is 1. Right? Don't write plus, don't write negative. This is wrong things. You don't write 1 plus, 1 minus. After that, you multiply this. Then, Na, don't write charges. So, Na, and one more thing. When you multiply by 1, then you write here 1. Cl also 1. Both are 1, 1. So you can remove this 1 and 1. So what is the formula of sodium chloride? This is NaCl, right? Now the formula of magnesium chloride. Let's see. Magnesium have 2 positive charge and chloride have 1 negative charge. So how many positive charges? 2. So you write 2. Cl only 1. Correct? Cross multiply 1 to the magnesium and to the Cl. So Mg 1. If the number is 1, so you will not write 1 Cl 2. Listen carefully. When you multiply this number to the chlorine, then you write on the subscript. Right? So the formula is MgCl2. Clear? Now take another example. Aluminium chloride. So aluminium Al3 plus, chloride Cl minus, charge 3 Cl1, cross multiply. So the what is the formula? Al Cl3. Good, very good. So your formula is AlCl. Now what is the formula of ammonium chloride? Let's see here. Ammonium chloride. When you see what is the charge of ammonium, the formula is NH4 plus and chloride Cl minus. Clear? Listen carefully. Very important points. Here only 1 positive charge is present. So only 1 Cl1. But let one thing that this positive charge is present whole of the atom. When you multiply this and this, then NH4 multiply by 1. Don't write because the value is 1. Cl. So this is the formula of ammonium chloride. Right? Now, if you want to the formula of sodium carbonate, what is the formula of sodium carbonate? Sodium carbonate. So let's see here. What is the charge on sodium? Charge on sodium is Na plus and carbonate, that is CO3 2 minus. That's very important. There is only 1 charge. In carbonate have 2 charge. I told you that the charge which is present on radical, that is on this. Multiply this. Na2 1 से मल्टीप्लाई करेंगे, दैट इज CO3. जो भी मल्टीप्लाई करेंगे उसे आप इस ब्रैकेट के बाहर लिखेंगे. ध्यान रहे इस बात, कभी भी यहाँ नहीं लिखना है, आप हमेशा ब्रैकेट के बाहर लिखना है. तो दिस इज द फार्मूला ऑफ सोडियम कार्बोनेट. राइट नाउ व्हाट इज द फार्मूला ऑफ एल्युमिनियम सल्फेट? चलिए देखते हैं कितने बच्चे इसको बना पाते हैं. वीडियो को पॉज करके आप खुद से बनाने की एक बार कोशिश करिए, फिर देखिए आप बना पाते हैं कि नहीं बना पाते. तो देखिए एल्युमिनियम सल्फेट that is Al3 plus, सल्फेट that is SO4 2-. मैंने आपको बताया कि अगर जब बहुत सारे एटम हो, यहाँ पर सल्फर भी ऑक्सीजन भी है, तो आप बेहतर है कि आप इसको ब्रैकेट में लिख दें, क्योंकि एक से ज्यादा एलिमेंट है. यहाँ पर तो एक ही एलिमेंट है Al, that is एल्युमिनियम. तो don't write in bracket. When more than one atoms are present, then you write the formula. Sorry, then you make the bracket. So what is the charge of aluminum? That is 3. Sulfate, that is 2. So multiply Al2 and don't write charge because charge become cancelled out. SO4, अभी मैंने ब्रैकेट बनाया, ब्रैकेट आपको भी बनाना पड़ेगा. 3 जो मल्टीप्लाई होगा वो हमेशा मैंने आपको बताया कि वो सबस्क्रिप्ट में जाएगा. दैट इज द फार्मूला ऑफ Al2SO4 का होल 5. So this is the formula of aluminum sulfate. Correct? Now, if you want to write the formula of zinc chloride, then zinc, that is Zn2 plus, chloride, that is Cl minus 2 1. Multiply. The formula is ZnCl. Clear? If you want the formula of ferric chloride, ferric, that is Fe3 plus, chloride, that is Cl minus. So how many charge? 3 1. Multiply. So FeCl3. Clear? Now what is the formula of sodium acetate? Let's see here. यहाँ पर बहुत ध्यान से देखना है. सोडियम, that is Na plus, acetate CH3CO minus. मैंने आपको फिर से बताया, यहाँ पर ढेर सारे एटम हैं, आप इसको ब्रैकेट में बना दीजिए, बेहतर होगा आपके लिए. Na 1 चार्ज, एसिटेट 1 चार्ज, क्रॉस मल्टीप्लाई करेंगे तो क्या मिलेगा आपका? NaCH3COO. लेकिन ये आपका फुल फार्मूला सही लिखा, लेकिन हमारे को साइंटिस्टों ने ये बताया कि एसिटेट के केस में जब आप एसिटेट आयन का यूज करें तब आप एसिटेट आयन के फार्मूले को पहले लिखिए, देन पहले नेगेटिव को लिखिए, फिर उसके बाद पॉजिटिव को लिखिए. अब आप यहाँ पर ब्रैकेट बनाए तो भी ठीक है, नहीं बनाए तो भी ठीक है, क्योंकि यहाँ पर वैल्यू कितनी है? 1 है. 1 cancelled out. So you can write CH3COONE. Right? Now if you want to write the formula of aluminium acetate, so let's see here. Al3 plus acetate CH3COO minus. Right? अब यहाँ पर देखें आप, ढेर सारे एटम है, अब आपको ब्रैकेट बनाना है, मैंने आपको बताया है. तो यहाँ पर कितने चार्ज? 3 चार्ज. यहाँ पर कितने चार्ज? 1. You can cross multiply all these things. Then remove the चार्ज बना दीजिए आप, तो क्या मिलेगा आपको? Al मिलेगा, फिर CH3COO का होल thrice. This is called thrice because 3 is present. बट मैंने आपको बताया जब भी एसिटेट आयन का केस आए तो आपको एसिटेट आयन को पहले लिखना है. So these are the rules to write the chemical formula. अगर आपको वीडियो अच्छी लगी हो तो प्लीज इस वीडियो को लाइक करना ना भूलें, शेयर करना ना भूलें और इस चैनल बेल नोटिफिकेशन बेल आइकन को प्रेस करें जिससे आपको मेरी वीडियो की नई नई अपडेट्स आपको मिलती रहें। थैंक यू।